nice Royal Enfield. A Belgian plate on the Baja. Did you ride that the whole way from Belgium?
No.
No?
Unfortunately. It was the plan, but my wife fell after 8 kilometers.
Oh.
What kind of tires do you have?
Maxxis M something. I can't remember.
Okay.
They're good though. I have like I've 4,600 kilometers on these now.
Oh, that's nice. Where did you buy them?
Online.
Online, okay.
Yeah. I'll let you know later. I'll look it up. I think Air Tires, EIR tires.
Okay, alright.
An issue here with this one, have we?
Now make sure your lights are on.
There we go. All the luggage on a Honda 90. I thought it was something bigger.
You're on camera, I'm told.
Oh yeah.
An extra one, he says.
That's down the way now, is it?
No, it's working at the moment, he says.
It's not working. It's not down.
Call Robert. Robert, they're working at the moment.
Yeah, I think so.
That's down the way. Yeah, she was pointing up the sky.
It's a 360.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a 360.
Oh, is it?
It's getting everything, he says, bar behind me. So the expert told me now. And it's all proper says it is on.
It's on, alright. George, be careful.
Turn down to the ground. Huh?
It's a 360 camera, he tells me. It's on. It's picking up everything bar behind me. That's what he tells me. That's what he tells me.
They're a great job, yeah. We'll see how it goes, sure, yeah?
Huh?
We'll see how it goes.
I've been there.
Thought there was going to be an opportunity to go off-road there. There's a cool lake down there. Be cool to ride down to that now. Probably not allowed on the road down there though. High vis as far as the eye can see.
Hi Kevin.
Yeah, he died.
Where's the bags? You might be John, you'll come with somebody.
Oh, you've got a camera, Jack.
That's Roberts. It's still on now.
Oh, very good.
So anything you say,
Will
maybe,
held against
and will be.
and will be. Oh.
Men behind the camera.
I don't even like it. You don't punch you. Jack, alright. I'm going to say a prayer for you, Jack.
He's going to take a picture. The two old fellas.
The two oldest. What have you got, 150 between years, eh?
The two that thinks they're teenagers.
Get him on the bike.
No, were you riding it? Was he riding it?
Yeah, he was.
Was he riding it? He was. Oh, shite.
What CCs is this?
125. It's the same engine as those ones.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Do you know of the monkey bike? Yeah. They were out in the 70s and 80s as well. This is only kind of a new one. I think they started in 2014.
Oh, yeah.
But they've had 3 variations since, and this is the newest one.
Oh. Think away compact.
Yeah, it's great now. They go on every weekend. You must get one. Join us. Where are you living? Dungarvan.
Yeah.
And there's a fella here. He's in that van. He actually sells the Honda 50s.
Oh, yeah.
So if you wanted a Honda 50, that fella came from Belgium. Now, no, he's Belgium. Look, oh, he's gone. Good luck.